Tired of installing random VPN apps that slow down your PC or invade your privacy? In this video, I'll show you how to manually set up a VPN on Windows, no extra software needed. Hey there, welcome to Techvole, where we make tech simple. Let's jump right in. Click on the Start, then go to Setting. Head over to Network and Internet. On the left sidebar, click on VPN, or just search for VPN. Here's what you need to fill out. VPN provider. Select Windows built-in. Connection name. Choose any name you like. For example, my VPN or anything. Server name or address. This is the VPN server address you got from your provider. VPN type. Choose the correct protocol, usually LTTP, IPsec, or PPTP, depending on your VPN. Type of sign-in info. Select how you'll log in, typically with a username and password. Fill in your login info if you have it. Then click Save. Now to connect, go back to the VPN menu, click on the VPN you just added and hit Connect. That's it. You are now connected to a secure VPN using nothing but Windows built-in tools. Now you can visit the website What is my IP to make sure your IP address has changed and the VPN is working properly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to Techvole for more easy tech how-tos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.